So I finished The Hero of Ages last night, and it was so good. But like, why did Brandon Sanderson kill off almost all of my favourite characters? I could rename it to the books where almost all of my favourite characters die. Like in the first one, killed off like I think it was only Kelsey in the first crew, like in the crew, which was like it was okay, like still really upsetting, but it was okay. Second one, killed off Tintwell, then like the nerdy one who made Ellen become like a good ruler. Like Tintwell was amazing, and the nerdy study sessions were so cute. Like the faces, they're just so cute. And then had to kill off Doxson, um, Kelsey's best friend. Then had to kill off Clubs, the grumpy uncle. Why did you do that? Why? Then the third one had to kill off Vin and Elend. Like Elend, why? Why did you do that? Like the plot twist, I found out that it was actually Sainsard who was the hero of ages. That was crazy. Like, I was so surprised. And like when Vin became a god, but yeah, like Kelsey, like becoming not Kelsey, Kelsey died. Sainsard becoming a god, it just surprised me so much. But it's like it was almost redemption for killing off all my other favourite characters. But such amazing books. And like, yeah, like the whole stuff about mists and finding, like, I do like how each of the books seem to represent a different type of the magic. Like, book one, The Final Empire, you learn a lot about allomancy. Book two, you learn a lot about fairy chemy. And book three, you learn a lot about hemalurgy. I like the sword stuck in Spook's shoulder, and Vin's earring being hemalurgic spikes, and Vin's sister being a seeker. I didn't expect that. Like, it surprised me so much. But yeah, such good books. And I do love, like, in the ball in Fadrax, like, Ellen Devine having their first dance, all sweet. And then Ellen just pulls out a book. Exactly the kind of thing I would do. But yeah, like, the plot twists are so amazing, and they're such good books. But stuff about the Kolos, the Kandra, and the Inquisitors in the Hero of Ages, it was amazing. Like finding out that the Kolos are once humans and that the Kandra once the Lord Ruler's friends, which shocked me. But of course, they would have been fairy chemists, so I should have accepted that. So, it was just so good. They're such good books. But yeah, definitely would recommend. But definitely made me very sad. But yeah, amazing books.